Hi, I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majimbu Food Services. The link is in the description down below.
For today's video, we're going to cook herb chicken breast fillet. We need 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 medium onion minced, 4 cloves garlic minced, a dash of salt. I use Himalayan salt, dash of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/8 teaspoon Spanish paprika, 8 to 12 pieces fresh sweet basil leaves, 1 whole chicken breast boneless, 250 ml tomato sauce, turner, and a pan. Preheat the pan. Pour the cooking oil. Sauté the minced onion and garlic. Put the chicken, add the tomato sauce, add water, To find out more about this and other recipe, you may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Add salt, add white pepper, add dried oregano, add cayenne pepper, and add Spanish paprika. Cover and let it boil. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. It depends on the weight of your chicken breast. Add the sweet basil leaves. Simmer for a minute. Our finished product, herb chicken breast fillet.
Please comment down below what is your favorite food so we can cook it together. Thank you very much to all your love and support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.